Yeah, basically this information has given by the introduction about the software PI. This thing now. So this Raspberry Pi SAT nothing but a smart communication system, which is provide that issue information like a PSAT, it is a majorly information providing this setup. So it has Pi PCB board. Na, there's a majorly two steps. One thing as a discussion about the P compatible bus and C module and real-time clock. There's a camera conditions like a satellite communication and 80 to unlock to digital conversion and use UCD. So these also you can the GPS navigation system and Wi-Fi extra module we need to connect for that system. I need to design this thing now. They have to see overall stuff, whatever the thing. PAZ2 and PAC Raspberry Pi model. I like a Pi 1 or Pi 2, Pi 3, Pi 4, Pi B, Pi C. What are the model you want to take that the thing and you have to connect the sensors, GPS, AT to BC converter and everything. And for mAh battery also need to connect. So for that now, so you can see this display, everything. So this PSAT platform can use rapid prototype for the flash software Cubesat. This is Cubesat as a majorly we are providing for the 3D technology, which is a 3D printing we are using for that, and we have to real tech. So there is a programming like sockets input connection for to conversion or serial bus conversion, GPIO, Ethernet, different whatever the conversion sensor need to control for this thing. And the Pi platform particularly they designed for that out of the box software ready for the ground initial stuff. So this is a downward link, which are the satellite communication. This is a satellite which is designed by the above architecture, which has a pi given by the downward link. So actually pumpkin is one of the module here. You can see pumpkin module here. So this stuff you need to configure it with this module to get you get it everything. So we discuss about the TDM. No, is a distribute spectrum machine like a TDM. How time division multiplex you are presently working as a test bed. So different satellites. There's a one satellite. There's a one satellite. There's a one satellite. There's a one satellite. So in the TDM, na, time division multiplexing, just we have to configure this one. It is a network, one satellite, one satellite, one satellite, one satellite. Integration with the all set network, and I need to configure with that, and we have to set. But here the distributed spectrum machine, na, we need to connect with the these will be intralink with the computer telegram network, which is use this thing internal link with the CFS to ground level as a upward link or downward link with the internal links. Because this is a you already said there is a multiple intra network. This is a Wi-Fi IoT which is controlled by the different devices at a time. So is a multiple cases they will be concept confusion will be happen. So we can see here majorly these application PSAT training education given by the NASA provide the application official site. There is a lot of sites, a lot of sources are there, but we need to learn our own side. If you want to design your own 3D like a small scale of scalability of P satellite communication, PSAT nothing but this is a small basic what we developed as a prototype. So PSAT, which is a provide that intranet pathways for the students learning course majorly. And with the development, this process we need to check before that. We need to separate screens we need for that. So separate screen and separate what we call separate simulation sense hardware. We need development our own selves. On PSAT team need to design these stuffs like everything summarize, everything provide their hardware. So what will design for the next. What is the use for this actual PSAT communication? The general satellite we have, but what is the use of this PSAT love project by the NASA? So majorly this PSAT has decreased the information of your prototype model, which is a spectrum analysis. Majorly network will be huge speed of like Mbps gigabytes, so gigabyte terabytes. There is a huge compatibility change in the network design, and thing is that this will be used by the Raspberry Pi pumpkin modules and with the use of the 3 bytes, and it's a much rapid prototype. We call this the thing overall thing as provided by the NASA.